today we're diving into the latest release from Microsoft Windows Server 2025. Whether you're an IT pro or just curious about what's new, this video will cover everything you need to know. So let's get started. Windows Server 2025 brings a slew of new features, enhanced security, and improved performance. In this video, we'll explore the top new features, how to upgrade, and some tips and tricks to get the most of your new server environment. First, let's look at the new features. One of the biggest changes is the enhanced integration with Azure. This means better hybrid cloud capabilities and more seamless management between on-premises and cloud resources. With the improved Azure Arc integration, managing your multi-cloud environment has never been easier. You can now deploy and manage Kubernetes, clusters, and even virtual machines directly from the Azure portal. Security is always a priority, and Windows Server 2025 doesn't disappoint. Here are some of the major security enhancements. 1. Enhanced threat protection. With built-in advanced threat protection, your servers are more secure against emerging threats. 2. Secure Core Server. This feature ensures that your server hardware is secured with advanced protection against firmware attacks. 3. TLS 1.3 support. Improved security for data in transit with support for the latest TLS protocol. Performance improvements are another highlight. Windows Server 2025 comes with fast boot times, improved VM performance, storage spaces, direct enhancements. Upgrading to Windows Server 2025 is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. Always ensure you have a full backup before starting the upgrade. Make sure your hardware meets the requirements for Windows Server 2025. Download the Windows Server 2025 installer from the official Microsoft website and follow the prompts. Once the upgrade is complete, you can start exploring all the new features and capabilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.